Good morning folks. Today's video I'm going to be putting some pipe work in for my toilet and connecting up the pan connector. So we have our toilet, our pan connector, we have some fittings, some pipe, our tools, and it's all going to be going in here. So stick with me and we'll see how we get on as the day folds on. Well, today's video, I have to say thank you to Do It All Dan and plumberparts.co.uk for some very handy tips on helping me get my showroom to the stage of what it is now. It shouldn't be too much longer before I'm able to show everything in its entirety. So stick with us. We'll see how we pan out the rest of the day. Thank you. Well, that's the toilet in position. The only thing that had me confused, was this here. It says drill a 5.5mm hole and then obviously insert the plugs and then screw these big plastic brackets, which are, you screw through there, and that's going to be that screw there. So that sits at the side of this wall and you screw into it. It was obviously James from Plumber Parts. He was given a detailed video on how it was done. So the back section here that you can see with wood, that's all going to be boxed in. That's all going to be hid. Pipe work is behind. Put a 90-degree elbow at the top, so the flexi pipe could then go into the top of the toilet here, and the cistern will sit at the back of it. So far I'm happy with how this has gone. Feeling blessed. So I'll continue on after I get a cup of coffee. Thank you. Now with all the pipe work in, brackets all fixed to the ground, screwed in, and I've even put a wee bit of silicone, why I don't know, but I did anyway. Just thought I didn't want any water run underneath the tiles, so that's why I sealed it, in case any water ever got down that way. So right, now to fit the cistern, doubly the pan connector seat and the water connected to it as well. Here it goes. So cistern connected to toilet. You can see the wee brass wing nuts, washers, that all goes in there as an internal flush. So I'd have a wee look at it from the inside. That's it all on, donuts underneath it. It is secure, so here we go. Well, cistern in, screw to the wall, internals in, all good to go. Pipes all done, just going to sort out the multi-wick or the pan connector into the wall here, and then the seat, and then we'll try see whether we've got any leaks. Here we go. one more part
So
done.
toilet fitted, cistern fitted, and now we're just on to a simple. Gonna fit the toilet seat and then silicone all around it. Another wee video in a second. Thanks for watching.
So that's the final bit. Literally just to fix the cubicle to the wall, shower onto the wall, wired in, and that is the shower room complete. So I'm just scoping over everything that's been done so far. This is the Gross Felix PVC panels with edging. The shower door is split in the middle, so you've got one that way and one that way. Where are we? So radiator fitted, thermostatic valves, it's a Kudos radiator, hot room holder. I'm just going to just here we're going to have it marked out for a mirror, and then this is the love that tap, and that's the wee vanity unit as well. So all in all, I'm very happy. Very happy. That's where the wiring's going to be for the fan, and it's going to be tidied up. And of course the lights that are in here as well, I can't show you, it'll just be too bright. Or their lap, I think it's the contractor's pack. So, and this is the wee toilet. And I have to box this in as well, so there is a couple of finishing touches, so that's it. So, all in all, thank you very much. Thanks for watching. DIY Man Belfast and his new shower room. Well, welcome back to DIY Man Belfast. Today's job, I'm going to be fitting a toilet cistern, doing a little bit of pipe work with hep20, a few other bits and pieces, which obviously fitting the pan connector, and hopefully we get it all done as quick as I can. Got to say thanks to Plumber Parts